yini le engaka ebangwayo with naledi aphiwe kwenzakalani nazana
Ufuna sifike lapho why
nazana even because I mean owasenanda ungwaseshowe kwenzakalani
wazambezana khona sisi wami.
Okay.
I remember this other time she said that she want me to help her.
Okay.
She will come and chop it. I was like, okay, cool. So we did a song, but the song didn't work.
Okay.
First time there was this like trending picture until kube khona fight when my sister osiswam amahle enzi event. And so ibisenandi event emenza and I was booked as well. So iproblem iqala umengena lapha umefika ufika nabantu abawu3 ukele. So yena wavela wathi kumele wangenisa everyone besemnyango efuna bangene like and ba complain bathi no you can't like cela ukuze nalabantu ufike nabo ngoba labantu obviously ngoba bekulayini abantu abazothenga ama tickets obviously abazokhokha abazongena
wayebookiwe yena noma
wayebookusiswami
oh great ezosebenza
so ahambe ke mehamba usiswami mefika ngakusasendlini athi cela irefund yemali yami because ngicelile ukuthi uzoperform wena ungenisa abantu about like 12 people and ngenza imali vele nemali ukuthi kumele ngene that time ke ngoba eqiniso ngizokukhuluma la khona waqala mthuka keke wambiza ngamagama buhlungu ngengwabezo lamagama because like crazy
yeah
wathi wena ingane yakhe lezi into all of those like
ubani koqala ukuthuka umunye
unaleto oqala ukuthuka amahle